They said it was impossible. They said it was finicky, that the gas system on the 1100s could not take a short barrel. As you can see, we have here a 12-inch barrel. We have here just a pistol grip. We've relocated all of our recoil assembly. This thing is out of control. It's unbelievable. We've actually done it. We've pulled it off. I'm not even sure what to call this thing, but here's a hog tamer. Definitely helps out in feeling on your hand. I have here a 4+1, so 5 shots total. Let's see how she runs. Safety off. It's unbelievable. If you could do better, go for it. This is going to be available at blackacestactical.com. Remington Express buckshot.